Hey guys, today we are going to cook the Korean ramen, cheesy veg carbonara flavor, and these are freeze-dried noodles and not fried. So these are instant noodles mentioned right here. You can see it on the pack. And today we are going to make it. I have taken this vessel right here, and I'm going to make it in this. And what we have here behind is ingredients which are mentioned, which is maida. The noodles are made of maida, there's cheddar cheese, cream, butter, peanuts, celery, edible oil, there's sunflower seeds, oil, sesame oil, dry red chili, onion, spring onion, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, salt, black pepper, sugar, corn flour, water, orange peel, and sesame seeds. Allergen advice contains wheat, nuts, sesame, and dairy products. Here they are given the nutrition value. And right here is basically they're given how to make it. So you have to bring 250 ml of water to boil and add the ramen cake after 1-2 minutes. Add the sauce mix. Cook ramen for 6 to 7 minutes until sauce becomes thick. Stir occasionally to mix well. Add ramen to a bowl and garnish with chili oil and toppings. Okay, so inside this, like we have seen in the earlier video, we get all this chili oil and stuff and crispy toppings and chili oil that we need to add at the end once it's ready. And here's a mix, masala mix that has come with it. And here is the ramen. The ramen cake is here. I'll open the pack earlier. So gonna make it now. So let's go get 250 ml of water first. You're gonna add 250 ml of water into this. Just put on the flame first, and we'll keep this vessel on it. And to this, first thing we'll add 250 ml of water. I'll let it come to a boil. And step 1, which has been mentioned, we'll let this water come to a boil. And then in that, you will add these Korean ramen noodles. Just going to remove it from this packet. Let me show you all how it looks. This is how the noodle cake looks. And there are some pieces fallen in this as well. So once the water comes to a boil, we'll add these noodles to break them up a bit. And we'll add it to the boiling water. So you can see now the water is almost come to a boil. Now that the water has come to a boil, we'll add our noodle cake into it. Lower the flame to medium. We'll add all the noodles. That is there. Now that we have added the noodles, let's just dip them in. Let it be covered with water. Let it cook for a minute or two and soften. When they start getting soft, that's when we'll add in the sauce masala, which they are given, the taste maker masala. So you can see I've added the ramen And I will let the ramen cook in this on medium flame, not on high flame but on medium flame. And now in 2 minutes time we'll add in this masala. The noodles cook. Let's cut this open. Let's see how the masala looks from inside. This is how the masala looks. It has a cheesy aroma to it. Cheddar cheese aroma. Just stir this a little bit. Lower the flame a bit. And this is when now we'll add in the masala. We'll keep stirring it. I'm adding it little by little and keeping on stirring it. Now we will let the noodles cook for approximately 6 minutes. Adding some hot water into the packet as well. So that all the masala that's stuck will go in. And let it cook on medium to low flame and stir occasionally. And let the ramen cook now into the sauce. And let the sauce thicken up. Once this is ready, what I have with me is a chili oil. Once it's ready, we will top it up with chili oil and the crispy toppings that they have provided. So this is the crispy topping which is provided right here. Just keep stirring it a bit from time to time so that the sauce doesn't burn. Now we'll just let it cook. Now you can see that the sauce has started to thicken up. It's almost 5 minutes. We'll let it cook for another minute and then we'll put off the flame. I will just cover it then. After a minute, we'll just shut the flame and just cover it and keep it to cool so that the sauce thickens up a bit more. So this is the Korean veg cheesy carbonara noodles from you. Korean ramen. This is Korean ramen. Okay, it's 6 minutes are up. We'll put it off so it doesn't overcook. Now we'll just close it for some time and keep. So guys, I kept it closed for some time, and now, oh, look at this. The sauce has nicely thickened up and looks amazing. The noodles are cooked well in the heat. So now we are going to quickly try it out. For her, I'll just remove it in a small bowl first without adding any chili oil because she doesn't like spice. So I will add it to a bowl. So let's take some noodles and add it to a bowl for her. This is how it looks in a bowl, and this is what I'll give her. So in this, while I'll take mine in another bowl. So guys, I've taken a bowl right now for myself, and I'm going to pour all of this into this bowl. Be careful when you are pouring out the ramen into a bowl. The vessel will be hot. So I have poured out the ramen into a bowl. Take every bit of the sauce, which looks so yum. And now we are going to garnish this with the chili oil that has been provided. So this is chili oil which has been provided. Just garnishing my ramen with the chili oil that has been provided. So there's chili oil, and then we have the crispy toppings as well. So the crispy toppings contains onions and peanuts as mentioned on the packet. You can see the crispy toppings here. Just adding the crispy toppings to the ramen. And this is the ramen which has been ready. So guys, this is the Korean ramen cheesy veg carbonara. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to leave a comment if you all have tried this out.